Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this doesn't have too much about Corel as far as it is to share this file. I just, yesterday I did one with 4 layers, now I've done one with 5. It's not still perfect, but if you start designing it and make it your own, uh, I've made a couple of videos on how to do this. It's really easy, but this one has 5 layers. These two, so this would be your very top layer, your next layer, which is going to basically hold the turtle. And then these 2 layers could be swapped around. You could put the weeds or the seagrass in front of the fish, and you could pick better fish with a little more detail, and then this one is your back layer. I'm going to share this on my Facebook page, which is Corel Draw File Share. If you're not a member, just ask to become one, and I will more than likely approve you. And it's a fun project, and if you haven't watched the other ones, I mean, this is simple and pretty cool. I'm going to make one in the future that I think I'm actually going to paint part of it where it'll kind of give it some more depth. But you can see the second layer is these fish, so there's 2 more layers below it, making them kind of stand off. This one, there's the next layer, then the seagrass. And there's a lot of the seagrass kind of hidden, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, so feel free to use it, cut it out, test it. This is a 4x4 piece. You could actually, if you like it, you're going to cut it, you could make it 6x6 or whatever size you want. They're all grouped together. I'm going to save it in X12 because I had somebody request X12 today. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.